Have you ever wondered how to become a software developer? How to dive into the world of codes, algorithms, and problem solving to create something truly amazing? Well, you're about to embark on a journey that's as exciting as it is rewarding. First, it's essential to understand what software development is. It's the process of conceiving, designing, programming, documenting, testing, and bug fixing involved in creating and maintaining applications, frameworks, or other software components. In other words, software developers are the creative minds behind the digital tools we use every day. Now, let's break down the steps to becoming a software developer. Step 1. Understand the basics of computer operation. It's like learning the alphabet before writing a novel. Get familiar with how computers work, from understanding the hardware to the software that makes it run. Step 2. Learn a programming language. This is the foundation of software development. There are several languages to choose from. Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript are some of the most popular. Choose one and master it. There are numerous online resources and courses to help you get started. Step 3. Practice, practice, and practice some more. Coding is a skill, and like any skill, it gets better with practice. Set aside time each day to code, working on small projects to hone your skills and gain experience. Step 4. Specialize in a specific area. While a general knowledge of software development is beneficial, specializing in a particular area, such as web development, mobile app development, or data science, can make you more marketable. Step 5. Build a portfolio. This is where you showcase your skills and experience. Include any projects you've worked on, even if they were just for practice. This is what potential employers will look at to see what you can do. Step 6. Network with other developers. Join online communities, attend meetups, and participate in hackathons. Networking can lead to job opportunities and valuable partnerships. Step 7. Continue learning. Software development is a field that is always evolving. Keep up with the latest trends and technologies to stay relevant and competitive. And finally, Step 8. Apply for jobs. Whether it's an internship, a junior developer position, or a freelance gig, getting your foot in the door is crucial. Now, your journey doesn't have to include a formal degree. While some employers prefer candidates with a degree in computer science or a related field, many are more interested in your skills and experience. To summarize, becoming a software developer involves understanding computer operation, learning a programming language, practicing, specializing, building a portfolio, networking, continual learning, and applying for jobs. It's a path that requires dedication, but with hard work and persistence, you can become a software developer, earning between $70,000 and $120,000 a year. So, are you ready to code your future?